Let's face it, life gets busy. Work, family, errands. It can feel like there's never enough time in the day. And when you're constantly on the go, healthy eating often falls by the wayside. That's where the magic of meal prepping comes in. Imagine this. You open your fridge and instead of a chaotic mess, you see neatly organized containers filled with delicious homemade meals. No more last-minute takeout orders, no more unhealthy impulse snacks. Just healthy, convenient, and affordable meals at your fingertips. Meal prepping is more than just a trend. It's a lifestyle shift that empowers you to take control of your health, your time, and your budget. Ready to discover the life-changing secrets of meal prepping? Let's dive in. We all have the same 24 hours in a day, but it often feels like there's never enough time. Meal prepping is like giving yourself the gift of time. Time you'd otherwise spend cooking every single day. Time you can now dedicate to things you truly enjoy. Imagine reclaiming those precious evening hours or lazy Sunday mornings, all thanks to the power of meal prepping. It's not just about saving minutes here and there, it's about reclaiming hours in your week. Meal prepping is an investment in your most valuable asset, your time. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to let healthy eating habits slip. We're bombarded with tempting takeout options, sugary snacks, and processed foods that promise convenience at the expense of our well-being. But here's the truth. Your health is your most valuable asset, and meal prepping is one of the most powerful tools you have to protect it. When you meal prep, you're in control of the ingredients. You choose fresh, whole foods packed with nutrients instead of relying on processed meals loaded with hidden sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial ingredients. Meal prepping empowers you to prioritize your health without sacrificing convenience. Meal prepping is more than just chopping veggies and packing containers. It's about shifting your mindset to prioritize your health and well-being. It's about making a conscious decision to fuel your body with nutritious food, even when life gets hectic. Think of it as an act of self-care, a way to show yourself love and respect by investing in your health. When you approach meal prepping with a positive mindset, it becomes less of a chore and more of an empowering ritual. It's a dedicated time to nourish your body and set yourself up for success throughout the week. Start small, find your rhythm, and celebrate your progress along the way. Every healthy meal you prep is a step towards a healthier, happier you. Let's talk about another amazing benefit of meal prepping: saving money. We've all been there. Those days when we're tired, hungry, and end up spending way too much money on takeout or restaurant meals. Meal prepping helps you break free from this costly cycle and take control of your food budget. When you plan your meals and shop strategically, you're less likely to make impulse purchases or waste food. You'll also be amazed at how much money you save by cooking at home instead of constantly eating out. Those savings can really add up over time, giving you more financial freedom to pursue your goals. Meal prepping isn't just good for your health, it's good for your wallet too. Now that you're convinced of the incredible benefits of meal prepping, let's dive into the practical side. Don't worry, it's easier than you might think. Meal prepping is all about finding a system that works for you and your lifestyle. One of the keys to successful meal prepping is organization. Start by investing in a set of good quality food storage containers. Glass containers are a great option because they're durable, microwave safe, and won't stain or absorb odors. Once you have your equipment sorted, it's time to start planning. Think about your schedule for the week ahead and decide how many meals you want to prep. If you're new to meal prepping, start by prepping just lunches for the work week. Meal prepping is like conducting a culinary symphony, and every great symphony starts with a well-thought-out plan. Before you even think about chopping vegetables or preheating the oven, take some time to plan your meals for the week ahead. Think about your schedule, your taste preferences, and any dietary needs or goals you may have. Do you have a busy work week ahead with limited time for lunch breaks? Opt for quick and easy meals like salads with pre-cooked protein or mason jar salads layered with vibrant ingredients. Browse through cookbooks, food blogs, or recipe apps for inspiration. Once you have a plan in place, you'll be amazed at how much smoother the entire meal prepping process becomes. With your meal plan in hand, it's time to embark on a strategic grocery shopping mission. Armed with your list, you'll be able to navigate those tempting aisles with purpose and avoid impulse purchases that can derail your healthy eating goals. Organize your shopping list by category, grouping similar items together. This will make your shopping trip more efficient and prevent you from wandering aimlessly through the store. Start by stocking up on pantry staples like grains, beans, lentils, nuts, seeds, and healthy oils. Next, head to the produce section and load up on a rainbow of colorful fruits and vegetables. Don't be afraid to buy frozen fruits and vegetables too. They're just as nutritious as fresh and can be a lifesaver when you're short on time. Now that you've returned from your grocery shopping adventure, it's time to unleash the magic of containers. Investing in a good set of glass or BPA-free plastic containers is essential for keeping your prepped meals fresh, organized, and portable. Consider the size of your containers carefully. Smaller containers are great for snacks, dips, and sauces, while larger containers are perfect for main courses and salads. Having a variety of sizes on hand will allow you to portion your meals appropriately and prevent food waste. Labeling your containers is another crucial step. Use a permanent marker to write the contents and date on each container. Proper storage is essential for preserving the flavor, texture, and nutritional value of your meal-prepped creations. First and foremost, make sure your refrigerator is set to the correct temperature, ideally between 35 degrees Fahrenheit and 40 degrees Fahrenheit, or 1.7 degrees Celsius and 4.4 degrees Celsius. Store your prepped meals in airtight containers to prevent air and moisture from seeping in. This will help prevent spoilage and keep your food fresher for longer. Glass containers are a great option because they don't absorb odors or flavors from other foods in the refrigerator. Imagine this: a Sunday afternoon filled with the enticing aromas of roasting vegetables, simmering spices, and the gentle hum of your oven working its magic. It's the beauty of batch cooking, your secret weapon for effortless meal prepping. Cook large quantities at once, freeing up your time and ensuring delicious meals. Choose recipes like soups, stews, chilies, grain bowls, or roasted vegetables. In the world of meal prepping, versatility reigns supreme. Embrace ingredients that effortlessly transform into a multitude of dishes, saving you time, money, and precious refrigerator space. One shining example is the humble chicken breast. Baked, grilled, or shredded, it serves as a blank canvas for a symphony of flavors. Toss it with your favorite spices for a zesty taco filling, transform it into a comforting chicken noodle soup, or slice it atop a bed of crisp greens for a satisfying salad. Grains, too, possess an uncanny ability to morph into countless culinary creations. Cook a large batch at the beginning of the week and watch as they effortlessly adapt to your culinary whims. Leftovers, often relegated to the back of the refrigerator, destined for a lonely existence until they meet their demise. But fear not, fellow food lovers, for leftovers are about to become your meal prepping secret weapon, transforming from afterthought to culinary hero. Embrace the art of repurposing leftovers, breathing new life into yesterday's culinary creations. That roasted chicken from last night's dinner? Shred it and toss it with barbecue sauce for a smoky twist on tacos. Leftover roasted vegetables? Blend them into a vibrant soup or layer them between tortillas for a satisfying quesadilla. Not only will you reduce food waste, but you'll also discover a newfound appreciation for the versatility of your cooking. One of the biggest misconceptions about meal prepping is that it's synonymous with bland, boring meals. But fear not, adventurous eaters, for we're about to unlock a world of flavor explosions that will tantalize your taste buds and make you forget you're eating prepped meals. The key to conquering taste bud boredom lies in the art of strategic seasoning. Don't be afraid to experiment with a variety of herbs, spices, and sauces to add depth, complexity, and excitement to your meals. Create a flavor station in your kitchen, complete with your favorite herbs, spices, and sauces. Think of it as your culinary playground, a place where you can experiment with different flavor combinations and discover new favorites. Picture this: it's Sunday evening and you're just settling in for a relaxing evening. You decide to push meal prepping to tomorrow. Sound familiar? Procrastination is a slippery slope in meal prepping. It leads to rushed decisions and less than satisfying meals. You're more likely to reach for convenience foods or order takeout. Treat meal prepping like any important commitment. Your future self will thank you. In the realm of meal prepping, blandness is a culinary crime, and seasoning is your secret weapon to combat it. One of the biggest mistakes meal preppers make is forgetting that taste buds crave excitement, even when dining on pre-prepared meals. Imagine opening your lunch container to find a sea of beige bland chicken, flavorless rice, and steamed vegetables devoid of personality. It's a recipe for mealtime monotony, and it's entirely preventable with a little strategic seasoning. Embrace the transformative power of herbs, spices, and sauces. Don't be afraid to experiment with different flavor profiles. A sprinkle of smoked paprika here, a dash of chili flakes there, a drizzle of tangy balsamic glaze. These small but mighty additions can elevate your meals from ordinary to extraordinary. Variety, my friends, is the spice of life, and it's equally important in the world of meal prepping. Routine meal prep can lead to palate fatigue and burnout. Imagine eating the same chicken breast and broccoli every day. Your taste buds crave adventure and diverse nutrients. Incorporate a variety of cuisines and flavors into your meal prep. Imagine this. You've spent an entire Sunday afternoon meticulously prepping your meals for the week, only to open your refrigerator a few days later to find a soggy salad, a mushy stir-fry, and a suspicious odor emanating from your once perfectly portioned containers. It's a meal prepper's worst nightmare. Proper storage is crucial for maintaining the freshness, flavor, and safety of your prepped meals. Treat your refrigerator like a well-organized library. You've explored the ins and outs of meal prepping, uncovered its incredible benefits, and armed yourself with the knowledge to avoid common pitfalls. Now, it's time to unleash your inner meal prep master and embrace the transformative power of this simple yet profound practice. Remember that feeling of staring into a refrigerator devoid of inspiration, the dread of last-minute meal decisions, the guilt of yet another takeout order? Those days are gone. With meal prepping, you're in control. You're the architect of your meals, the conductor of your culinary symphony. Embrace the confidence that comes from knowing you have nourishing, delicious meals ready to fuel your body and mind. No more settling for mediocre, no more letting busy schedules dictate your dietary choices. You've got this. Meal prepping is more than just a means to an end. It's a journey of self-discovery, a celebration of flavor, and a testament to the power of planning. Embrace the process, experiment with new recipes, and don't be afraid to make mistakes along the way. Remember, every perfectly portioned container, every colorful salad, every freezer-ready meal is a step towards a healthier, happier you. It's about creating a sustainable routine that fits seamlessly into your lifestyle, not about striving for perfection or comparing yourself to others. So put on some music, gather your ingredients, and turn your kitchen into your culinary canvas. Let the rhythm of chopping, the sizzle of sautéing, and the aroma of spices ignite your passion for nourishing your body with intention. You're not alone on this journey to meal prepping mastery. Join a community of like-minded individuals who share your passion for healthy eating, time-saving hacks, and culinary creativity. Connect with fellow meal preppers online, share your triumphs and challenges, and exchange recipe ideas and words of encouragement. Imagine the collective inspiration of countless individuals embracing the power of meal prepping, transforming their relationship with food, and reclaiming their time and well-being. Together, we can create a ripple effect of positive change, one prepped meal at a time. Share your meal prep journey with friends, family, and colleagues. Spread the word about the life-changing benefits of this simple yet profound practice. Together, let's inspire a movement of mindful eating, culinary creativity, and empowered living. The time for excuses is over. The power to transform your health, your schedule, and your relationship with food is within your reach. It's time to take action and embark on your meal prepping adventure. Start small, set realistic goals, and celebrate your progress along the way. Remember, every healthy meal you prep is a victory, a testament to your commitment to nourishing your body and mind. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your containers, unleash your culinary creativity, and join the meal prep revolution. Your future self will thank you. The secrets to meal prepping success are now at your fingertips. No more excuses, no more frantic mealtime scrambles. You have the knowledge, tools, and inspiration to transform your eating habits. Remember, meal prepping is a journey, not a race. Start small, be kind to yourself, and celebrate your progress. Each time you open your refrigerator, you'll be reminded of your commitment. What are you waiting for? Take that first step and unleash your inner meal prep master.